Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi. Today we are going to solve drill 5 in this video. Since it needed a little bit of explanation, so I decided to make a video. So let's get started. So if you see over here, drill number 5, it's basically you are forming a question of sentences. So Salimu Talibun, Salim is a student. Now, how are you going to not just make a question, but a question in negative? And for that, you first make the sentence negative. Laisa Salimu Taliban. That's your negating the Jumla Ismiya. And then you add the interrogative word, which is a. So let's get started. Here's how you're going to do it. So first, let's make the sentence negative. Laisa. So by the way, the question is, the sentence is Al Ustadu min al Qahira. The teacher is from Qahira. So now we are going to write the teacher is not from Qahira. So Alaysal Ustadu, and you're going to make it Rafa because it's a subject of Laisa. Alaysal Ustadu minal, helping vowel, minal Qahira. So that's your, that would be your, let me just make this a little, yes. So let's move all of them a little towards, yeah. Okay, so this is Alaysal Ustadu min al Qaira. So Ustad is not from Qaira. Now in the beginning over here, you are going to add the interrogative vowel to make it a question and a question mark over here. So Alaysal Ustadu min al Qaira. If you can see, yeah, if you can, let me just make it a little bigger for you so you can see it over here. So Alaysal Ustadu min al Qahira. Now let's look at the next one. Huwa min Beirut. He is from Beirut. So now you're going to first write he is not from Beirut. Now if you remember, what we do is we basically, the mubtada, which is a pronoun, changes to its corresponding Laisa form. So Huwa has a Laisa form as Laisa. So Laisa min Beirut. Beirut. Okay. Now, how are you going to make it a question? You are going to make it a question by adding the interrogative vowel. Yeah, that's, yeah. Now, here you're going to add a question. Sorry, a question. So that is now al-mudiratu mawjudatun huna. So the director female is present here. Now first let's negate it. So the corresponding of al-mudiratu, the feminine ism, would be laysat. So you will first put the laysa form, the corresponding laysa form. I don't know why is this happening. Okay. Yeah. Laysat Laysat Mudiratu, sorry. Mudiratu. Laysat al-Mudiratu Mawjudatun. The khabar will become nasab. So Mawjudatan. Mawjudatan. Huna. Huna will come as it is. Huna. So this has become negative. Now, how are you going to change it in a question? Just add your interrogative word. Now, here, let's see. Al-maktabu ba'idun min al-jamiyati. The office is far away from the university. So first, let's make it negative. Al-maktabu is masculine. So we are going to use the corresponding masculine form, which is Laisa. Laisa. Al-maktabu is its subject. So it will come in Rafa form. Laisal maktabu, the office is not. Ba'idun is actually the khabar, which will now become, previously it was Rafa, now it's going to become Nasa. So Ba'idan minal jamiyati. Minal jamiyati, mutalik bil khabar will come the way it is. So you see the different, the changes you're making. Now let's make a question out of it. Just add the interrogative particle and write it. So now we are going to do it. So now let's see. Hazal kitabu jadidun. This book is new. So is this book new? Will be alaysal, because Laisa, Hazal Kitabu is masculine, so Laisa will be used. Alaysal Hazal Kitabu Jadidun was Rafa, so now it will become Nasab. Will become Nasab, and I will put a tanween of Fatah and a question mark. Now, let's move forward. Let's look at here. So now we have, this is by the way, yeah. Okay. Hiya talibatun min Beirut. She is a student from, sorry, Hiya talibatun min Lebanon. She is a student from Lebanon. So we will write Hiya will actually become Laysat, and because it's a question, so we will say Alaysat. Alaysat, the sukun. Talibatun will become Talibatan. So, Talibatan min Lebanon. And a question mark at the end. Now, Ana Arabiyun, I am an Arab. So let's see, Ana will be replaced by the corresponding Laisa form. The corresponding Laisa form will be Lastu. Lastu will be the corresponding Laisa form, and we will not write Ana again. Arabiyun will become Arabiyan. 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 And because it's a question, so we will say Alastu Arabiyan. Am I an Arab? Which is a very funny question to ask, but well. So Anti minas Sudani. So you are from Sudan. Are you from Sudan? So the corresponding, first of all, the interrogative vowel. The corresponding Laisa form of Anti will be Lasti. So Lasti Minas Sudan, there is no khabar, so there's no need to change anything. Minas Sudan, the mutaliq bil khabar will come the way it is. And a question mark. So this is how you will solve all your sentences. I hope you understand the process that you first put the corresponding Lisa, and then if there is a subject to Lisa, you will put it in Rafa form if there is one. If you only have pronoun, that pronoun will be omitted, and Lisa form, the corresponding Lisa form will take its place like it is over here, and Hua is replaced. Then you will, if you have khabar like you have over here, it will become nasab. If you don't and you just have mutalik bil khabar, then it will come just the way it is. No changes in mutalik bil khabar. I hope this clarifies. If there are any questions, please feel free to ask on the group, and one of us will be able to help you, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.